jet. Watching a nigga can't figure me out like bitch, go get the bag. Hold on, watch me sweat. Keep protection on my waist. They left 130 cash. When I'm walking
bitch,
up
I'm the
into my
boss, no ain't no talking to me.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I know I look crazy right now. That's because today I am actually about to start some new braids. Now, they aren't going to just be like the regular blonde because I just feel like it kind of just looks weird because my roots are black and this is just blonde. I don't like that. So I'm actually going to be mixing colors. My first time like mixing colors is going to be 613, 4, and then 27. So we're about to see how this is going to go. I know it's gonna take me like a day and a half. But yeah, we about to see how it's gonna go. I got some Shine and Jam Edge Magic for braiders. I got this. And I got me like a little baby hair brush so I can brush my hair. And we're about to get into this video. Okay, so now I was thinking about just taking out all of my braids and then redoing it, but that's doing too much because these are already parting. So just on my hair. I'm about to cut probably like right here. Cut this braid off. Cut that off. I'm gonna take this out, but in the meantime, first I'm going to blend this hair. Wow, I hope this looks right. I just don't want to be out here looking crazy, okay? Cause who trying to be out here looking crazy with braids in their head? Not me, but we about to see if we can mix this hair. I know I can do it, but I've never mixed braiding hair before, so this is definitely going to be a journey. Decided to just separate it and just do like a smaller piece of blending first before I did the whole thing, because the whole thing was a lot of hair. But the next part I saw her do was she brushed the hair, so I'm about to brush it. We about to see how that goes. She wrapped it around her finger like this, and then she started to brush it. Yikes. Okay, braiding hair gets messy, guys. Like, braiding hair gets really, really messy. But do y'all like this color pattern? Think this color pattern look cute? We gonna see. So I just got done blending this part out. To me, this is cute. This is really, really cute. I really wanted to blend it out because my roots are black and I wanted it to, you know, somewhat be some black in here as well. So we about to just rebrush this. Remember, wrap it around how the girl did in the video. I really blended this. This looks beautiful. Like, this braiding hair is getting tangled. You see? Hopefully that's not a problem. Oh my gosh. I just feel like I'm wasting hair, but it has to get brushed out.
Y'all, the hair started to get nappy on me. Like, it started to like tangle up and shit. And I'm like, what the fuck? Like, I spent my money on this. This shit better work out. I really was finna throw hands with this hair.
I'm so excited. And guys, I recently just started to do my own braids because I kept on asking people, but people kept on saying that they could like do it another time and stuff, but I wanted it to be done like right away. So that's when I just decided, you know, I'm about to learn it myself. And I learned about this color is so cute. I'm about to do a braid. So I just kept a little piece of hair out right here. So when I do wear my hair up in a bun, I get to curl this with like a little curling iron. That'll be cute, but I'm gonna leave that out. Take a little bit of this braiding gel. I'm gonna take my little like baby hair brush and we're just gonna brush this. All of this is already brushed. So how I do mine is I braid it a little bit.
Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober.
Now, take this, and this seems like it's already long enough. Yeah. So now we're gonna take this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We're gonna take this and oops, sorry, I forgot something. I need to take out an extra piece of hair so I can add it on when this stops. So I'm gonna just take out just like a tiny piece because I don't want it to be too thick. So we're gonna take, but this seems like thick to me a little bit. I hate when like the gel gets under my nails. I don't like that, but I'm gonna take this, okay? Grip. The grip.
Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no comparing to you.
Basically do it like this now, but oh, this is way too long. I don't want it to be this long. Shit. That's okay. That's way too long. I don't want it to be that long. So for the next one, I gotta fix it. But right now, I'm just braiding it regular. It looks really, really good. Wrap this around here. You guys can't really see, but I'm gonna have a detailed video on how I do my own braids, on how like I really do them and stuff. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, this color is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm about to be slayed with this color. I'm telling you. We are about to finish this braid and then I'm gonna be right back. This braid looks really nice, the color. But I feel like it's just a lot of black in this one, so I'm gonna add a little bit more blonde into this next braid. We're gonna blend this out.
So right here, guys, I was just trying to see if the braiding hair was gonna match my baby hairs. Because I didn't want to have like my baby hairs a different, you know, than my braiding hair. So that's what I was doing.
Right now, I know I look crazy, but this is what they're looking like.
But you know what comes after a birth?
You know,
Big old smile.
this color.
What the hell are you talking about?
It was a metaphor.
It was a classic fatherhood metaphor. No, my point is, you just need to face her and let her get it all off her chest. Oh, and I feel like I've done that.
No, you didn't.
About
You
to do
just
these
talked
two
and talked
and
about nothing for
continue.
30 minutes.
Okay, look,
This is
I
what it
know
looks
it's
like,
like, I know
guys.
that, man. I'm here
Just
and I'm
wanted it to
hearing it.
be-
I mean, when Jess and I did this, I think we cried for like
The color all
days.
I mean,
together.
at least. But look, now I have such a good friend, and we talk all the time, and he's such a good
And we're
listener.
about to continue.
I literally took a 5-minute lunch break because I really wanted to finish my hair, but the food was so freaking good.
Okay, so Right now it is 1:07 in the morning. I'm so tired. I'm starving. I feel sick. You know how like you just be like really hungry, so you start to feel nauseous, but this is what it looks like for right now. I just had this little bit up here to do left. I'm really tired. I think I'm gonna stop at 2 o'clock or 1:30. Start back up probably around like, I don't know. I don't even know, because I have to be somewhere tomorrow around like 7 in the morning. Then I have to go get my new glasses because my glasses broke. I'm just really tired, but my back hurts. My hands are cramping. My thumbs hurt so freaking bad, but we're gonna get these braids done. But I have been watching New Girl. That's like my favorite show right now, so I've been watching New Girl.
Driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen. Don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear.
Brain feels like spaghetti, and my future feels like a dark hole that I can't stop falling down.
You can't show her this pain, or she'll freak out and it'll be over. Okay, I wish someone would have told me that when Malia and I broke up.
Malia, I'm in pain and I want you to know. I want to get this pain out of my body.
I haven't seen her since. I still read pieces, though.
Oh my god, this show is crazy.
Yeah, do this, and do that, and top it up a little bit of that. You feel me?
So you greet everybody?
Come here, you.
Oh, that wasn't an invitation.
Hi.
Son of a bitch. Come here, you. How you doing, man? Take the pills out.
I feel as if I'm of cotton.
Sorry for what's about to happen.
Do you have a minute to maybe have
One eternity later.
Guys, I look a fucking mess right now. Right now I believe it's probably like 6:30. So 6:30 in the morning. So we are about to just finish our top of our head. Right now I am just blending out this hair right here. Okay guys, so you guys already see how this is coming along. It's actually coming along really pretty. Don't mind my edges. I just have like this little top part left. Right now it is 8:57. I have my appointment at what is my appointment? I have my appointment at 9:30. So we about to just take this down, and we are about to, wow, I really have this much left, so little, but we are about to put on our hats so I can go to my appointment, and when I get back, I will continue.
A few moments later.
Just got back from my eye doctor's appointment. Sorry. My new glasses are going to be so freaking cute. Okay. I probably got like 10 or 8 braids left at the top. That's why I got this hat on, because I don't want to look too crazy. But I'm about to watch my show, A New Girl. And we finna just get up into this show.
It ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. You's a pretty girl, stuck in a pretty bad world. Oh, you got the nerve, wearing that skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls can beat you. Paris, make some times we'll cherish. Baby, that no can.
This is our last braid. Right after this, I'm going to dip my hair, put some mousse on it, and then I'm going to do my baby hairs.
Don't want Megan Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. No, they got nothing on you. They got nothing. All the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. You know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. You know you cute. Girl, you know you cute. Yeah. Girl, you know you cute. Girl, you know you cute.
But we about to dip our hair. This pan hot still now. And this pan of water. I'm gonna take this Tresemme Mousse 4 extra hold. It's like the 4, like the bubbles, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, but that's just like how much hold it is, and this works really, really good. I'm gonna put some all in my braids, especially, you know, all at the bottom, because I just wet them. Took off, oh, baby hairs. Okay. Took that off. Now we're going to take our do-rag and just put our braids back.
Thank y'all for watching. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. This was the final look. I love it. It looks so freaking cute, but I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.